In the deepest corners of our planet, where human footsteps rarely reach, wild animals live with a power and intelligence far beyond our imagination. Every heartbeat in the wild is a battle, every breath a story of danger, instinct, and survival. Tonight, we step into their world, a world where nature writes its own rules, and only the truly extraordinary survive. Part 1. In the hidden corners of forests, deserts, and mountains, where human eyes rarely reach, wild animals display a level of intelligence that challenges everything we think we know about the natural world. A wolf pack, for example, is not just a group of hunters. It is a coordinated system built on trust, silent communication, and decades of inherited strategy. As they move across snowy terrain, every tail flick, ear movement, and eye gesture carries a message. One wolf signals direction, another marks escape routes, and a third quietly circles behind the herd. No arguments, no confusion, only perfect cooperation. Scientists observing them often describe their teamwork as nature's own military formation. Meanwhile, elephants live with memories stronger than maps. A herd can travel hundreds of miles relying only on the recollections of an elder matriarch who remembers the taste of a river's water even after 20 years. And then there are crows, small, black, and often ignored, yet capable of solving puzzles that would confuse many humans. They use tools, recognize faces, and even plan for the future. These animals show that intelligence is not defined by size or shape, but by survival, adaptation, and instinct sharpened over millions of years. Part 2. Every wild animal carries a secret weapon inside its body: instinct. A zebra grazing peacefully can suddenly sense the vibration of a lion's footstep through the ground, even when the predator is far beyond sight. A deer will freeze instantly when the wind changes direction because it knows danger travels with the air. The salmon's journey is even more extraordinary. These fish swim against violent currents, leap over waterfalls, and push past predators, all to return to the exact place where they were born. No GPS, no guide, only instinct. Snakes see heat signatures like a living thermal camera, allowing them to strike with perfect precision even in complete darkness. Owls hear the heartbeat of a mouse hiding under thick snow, adjusting their flight silently to land exactly where the prey is hiding. These instincts are not learned from parents or taught by experience. They are written deep in their DNA, passed down through thousands of generations. In the world of wild animals, instinct is not just a reaction, it is the difference between life and death. Part 3. Every year, millions of wildebeest, zebras, gazelles, and other creatures gather in a massive wave of movement across the African plains. This great migration is one of the most astonishing events in nature, a journey so long, dangerous, and unpredictable that even the strongest animals sometimes fail to survive it. The ground trembles as the herds move, their hooves raising clouds of dust that can be seen from miles away. Rivers block their path, and beneath the surface, crocodiles wait with ancient patience, ready for the moment when thousands of animals plunge into the water. Lions follow alongside the herds, not out of malice but survival, studying the weak, the injured, and the young. For the migrating animals, hunger pushes them forward, storms chase them from behind, and predators surround them. Yet they continue step by step, mile after mile. This migration is more than movement. It is a battle between hope and fear, between survival and death. And still, year after year, they rise, gather, and run again. Because life in the wild is not a choice, it is a journey written in their very souls. Part 4. Though they have no spoken language like humans, wild animals communicate with a complexity far greater than most people realize. Deep in the oceans, whales send haunting, echoing calls that travel hundreds of miles, carrying messages of danger, direction, and companionship. On land, bees perform precise dances, moving their bodies at specific angles to tell their hive exactly where flowers full of nectar can be found. Ants move across the forest floor in perfect trails because each ant leaves behind a chemical map for the next to follow. Elephants rumble in low-frequency sounds that human ears cannot even detect. Vibrations travel through the ground, sensed through their feet like messages written in the earth. Wolves communicate with stares, ears, and body movement, Eagles communicate with flight patterns. Primates use gestures, warnings, and emotional expressions. Communication in the animal kingdom is not made of words. It is made of energy, movement, vibration, and instinct. It reminds us that language evolved long before humans, and nature still speaks in ways we are only beginning to understand. The wild is more than danger and survival. It is a mirror of life, strength, and resilience. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, teaches us the power of instinct, loyalty, and courage. Remember, protecting them means protecting the heartbeat of our planet and our own future.